Yeah, hopefully they have a fire department that can come.
Yeah, police just called them.
Okay.
John, here.
Oh, sorry. What are these guys doing?
What's gonna happen? Well, remember everything connects.
Yeah.
Could be dangerous.
Yeah, I think we're far enough away though.
Want to run?
We could. It'd probably be okay. No one has like fire extinguishers around here anywhere.
You got a good one. Okay, let's run.
You want to run?
I don't know if you want to run.
We could just go around. It's like dripping on the ground too.